outdoors taking seashells or any kind of marine life, so from the island is not allowed, okay?
Yes.
So third, so I know yourself, you are not a good swimmer. So take note, so this island hopping, not island shopping. So usually every stop, the boat is not possible to get lost, or so usually you need to swim. So if you are not a good swimmer, good luck. No, just kidding. So every time to swim, so please don't forget the life jacket, okay? Because your safety, so this is our priority, okay? So ma'am, sir, so some other information about El Nido. So I'll discuss later in the area. So we're going out to Saving Commando. So once again, good morning. Ingat po tayo lahat. God bless. Ingat po, okay? Thank you so much.
Hi guys, so nandito kami sa 7 Commando Beach Park, partner. Yeah. So ano masasabi mo, partner, dito sa 7 Commando?
Ano siya, kaiba siya dun sa mga beaches na pinuntahan natin kahapon.
Yeah.
Kasi dito may mga coconut trees talaga. Hindi siya bear.
Oo, hindi siya panda lang.
Naked, ano.
Hindi daw siya bear, panda lang. Hindi, joke lang guys. Pero guys, ang daming coconut trees, no?
Ay, hindi.
Ay, hindi pala. Ang daming makopa trees.
Makopa ba?
Ang daming makopa. Pero guys, legit ang ganda guys. Ay.
I go to a bar when I'm down and I sit down with a frown. The bartender asked me what will I drink. I said I have a whole bottle please. He gave me his cheapest whiskey and he whispered it's too risky. I turned to a band which was playing blues, but I got nothing to lose. Next thing
After namin mag-picture, pumunta na kami sa next destination namin, which is the Big Lagoon.
Next thing I know, I'm on the floor. I'm asking what I'm living for. I'm in the van with red lights, riding at the speed of light. Woman asked me how I'm doing, I said I'm alright. Voices speaking over another, I'm screaming call my mother, and she will be worried sick, but all I hear.
Hi guys. So we're here at ano ka, partner? Big Lagoon? Yeah, Big Lagoon.
Yeah.
Yes, okay lang. Nagbe-video muna kami.
Pag ano lang ba kuya, paano ba yung ikot?
Hi guys.
Ikot? Okay po.
Then balik sa middle
Okay po.
Yes. So yun to guys. Ikot kami. And partner, kamusta ka naman?
Okay.
Oops. Medyo nakatakot kasi nakakasal kaya kami. Yeah.
Doon kuya.
So, pasok daw kami sa cave guys. Bye-bye! Hi guys. Bye guys, hindi na kami sa ano, palis na kami. Ang ganda dito guys. Bye!
All of my friends said in wedding day. All I've got's photos of yesterday. Left all my things up at heaven's gate. Hope that they let me in later. Someone set my clock back 20 years.
Eggplant. Okay, and of course for vegetarian. Okay, and of course cucumber and shrimp. We have banana and pineapple. And also, this fish we call is wana. Because just one.
I wanna feel this, know you. I wanna feel this, know you. I wanna feel this, know you. All my bad thoughts feel premeditated. Treat every sickness like medication. Wish that tomorrow just hesitated. Just need a moment to set it straight. Send me back, let me make things right. I do everything different, I take my time.
Hi, partner! Yes, nakakatapos na namin tour. Yeah, so ngayon we're heading back na sa hotel stay namin. And actually, ngayon mas maagang natapos compare nung kahapon. Yan. So, ito siya, guys.
Poured everything I had into these childish dreams and wishes. They all told me you go.
As you can see, so surrounded talaga pala siya ng mountains. Oh my God! Muntikan, ako makul. Anyway, sige guys, so thank you. And meron pa tayong mapapakita. Bye-bye guys!
All my friends are setting wedding dates. At least I got to witness. They're okay, yeah, I'm alright. Yeah, this is life. I miss my fucking friends. Send me back 20 years. I do it all different. I'd be so much more than this. Send me back, send me back. I put everything I had into these childish dreams and wishes. They all told me you go far. They didn't say I feel the distance. All my friends are setting wedding dates. At least I get to witness.